Hello friends, this is Bhavatosh here. Welcome to my channel Perfect Analyst. Today we are initiating an important chapter in Power BI that is called Data Analysis Expressions, or it is called as DAX functions. This DAX function is very important in Power BI because this is where your complex formula or customized formula will be used to make the report very efficient and insightful. So the business during the business analysis, they will use this function or this library of functions to perform data analysis and calculations. So this is nothing but the collections of formulas, functions, operators, and constant. It allows the users to create a measures, dimensions, etc. You must be wondering by knowing this that as we learn that Power BI is nothing but using of this drag and drop option to create a report, right? But DAX function is very important, and if any persons or any tutorials, they will tell that Power BI is nothing but only drag and drop options. Then and also it is very easy if they will say, please don't go to that tutorials because those are all the of English, right? Those are all very simple things, drag and drop options. Anyone can learn those things. But in addition to that, if someone also teaching you how to use these dash functions in Power BI, that's where you have to learn. So today we are initiating this data analysis expressions, and I will make sure that you learn this concept, these functions, and how you can use these functions in your Power BI report. So why you use DAX function is to reuse and formula in multiple places. Multiple places means if the same formula you are using in many reports and you are connecting those reports, so using these dash functions, it will be very easy for you to reuse the formulas. And if any changes in one formula, it also changes in multiple places. You no need to go and change every places, right? So in that case, dax function is being used. It also to create customized formula or complex formula where uh, the simple formula like sum or average may not be sufficient. There are many formulas are there where you're using this complex formula to create a report. So where are DAX formulas used? It is being used in three places mostly. One is calculated tables, so you can create or add new tables to the report based on the formulas. You can also add new columns to a tables based on the formulas, to create summary or aggregated measure to a table based on formulas. So in three places the DAX formula is used. So what are the basic DAX functions? More or most common DAX functions are, I have just given seven here, but there are other functions also. But mostly this DAX function, if you learn and practice, that itself sufficient for you to go for any interview. And definitely in interview, this DAX functions they will ask. They will ask you in your project which are the DAX function you have used and where you have used. And I will just go to one website where You will learn more. There is a website called hebodata.com. So here, this is a website where you will have different types of DAX functions for Power BI. The most common or important DAX functions is given 8 DAX functions, and for each, if you click on each section, it will go to the DAX function for Power BI for the particular types of functions, and here it is given the details, the syntax and all. So you can try to learn these DAX functions initially and try to practice yourself by taking any data sets outside. There are a lot of data sets available in Google. If you search in Google, you'll get the data sets. And I have also created a video how to get the data sets, where you can download the data sets and you can try to learn yourself. So anyway, I will also cover all these type of functions, dash functions, and where you can apply this dash function with example. So stay tuned with my next videos where I will be explaining in detail for each DAX functions. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll start soon the DAX functions session. Thank you so much. Bye.